नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आज आपण 11व्या युनिटमध्ये चांगली बातमी आणि वाईट बातमी सांगणे म्हणजेच गुड न्यूज अँड बॅड न्यूज बद्दल होणाऱ्या संभाषणाची विविध उद्दिष्टे जाणून घेणार आहोत. जसे इतरांपर्यंत चांगली आणि वाईट बातमी पोहोचवणे. जेव्हा इतरांनी तुम्हाला त्याबद्दल सांगितले तेव्हा चांगली बातमी आणि वाईट बातमी यावर प्रतिक्रिया देणे. तुमच्या मित्राची अथवा मैत्रिणीची कॅम्पस इंटरव्ह्यूमध्ये निवड झाल्यामुळे त्याचे अथवा तिचे अभिनंदन करणे. तुमच्या मित्राची संस्थेच्या LR म्हणजे विद्यार्थी प्रतिनिधी म्हणून निवड झाल्यामुळे त्याचे अथवा तिचे अभिनंदन करणे. तुमच्या मित्राचा अथवा मैत्रिणीचा मोबाईल हरवला म्हणून त्याला अथवा तिला सांत्वन देणे. तुम्ही खेळाचा सामना हरला आहात ही वाईट बातमी तुमच्या मित्राला अथवा मैत्रिणीला सांगणे. तुमच्या मित्राचे अथवा मैत्रिणीचे परीक्षेतील उत्कृष्ट यशाबद्दल अभिनंदन करणे. परीक्षेत समाधानकारक गुण न मिळाल्याबद्दल तुमच्या मित्राचे अथवा मैत्रिणीचे सांत्वन करणे. वर्ग प्रतिनिधी म्हणून तुमची निवड झाल्याबद्दल तुमच्या मित्राला अथवा मैत्रिणीला चांगली बातमी देणे. तुमच्या नवीन बाईकच्या खरेदीबद्दल तुमच्या मित्राला अथवा मैत्रिणीला चांगली बातमी देणे. तुमच्या आजारपणामुळे परीक्षेला बसू न शकल्याबद्दल तुमची चिंता व्यक्त करणे. रोख पैसे, फोन आणि आय कार्डसह तुमचे पाकीट हरवले म्हणून तुमच्या अस्वस्थ मनस्थितीबद्दल व्यक्त करणे. गणितात जास्त गुण मिळवल्याबद्दल तुमच्या मित्राचे अथवा मैत्रिणीचे अभिनंदन करणे.
Good news and bad news. Objectives. In this unit, you will learn to convey good and bad news to others, to react to good news and bad news when others tell you about it. Situations for practice. Situation 1.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I heard yesterday that you got selected in the campus interview.
Yes, I'm indeed very happy.
Which was the company?
It was HCL.
Oh, that's great achievement. When will you join the company?
I will join in the first week of July.
And what about the emolument?
They've promised me rupees 20,000 and I think it's good for a beginner like me.
Alright, let me wish you a very bright future.
Thank you.
Situation 2.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm selected as the LR of our institute for this year.
Congratulations. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Even I'm feeling on top of the world.
Even I'm happy on your success. It is indeed a right choice as you are interested in the campus activities.
Yes, you're right. I enjoy organizing all the student activities. But anyways, I'll be needing your help and support for organizing these events.
Oh, surely. We all are always with you.
Let's make all the events well planned and memorable.
Certainly. We all will work together.
Situation 3.
You seem very upset today. Any problem?
I lost my cell phone yesterday.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. But where did you lose it?
I think I lost it in the canteen. I realized it only after the last lecture.
Did you inquire with the canteen manager? Did you register any complaint with him?
Yes, I informed him about the loss. I searched everywhere but could not find it anywhere.
One has to be very careful with one's mobiles these days. I wish I could help you in some way.
Yes, I've registered my complaint with the mobile company to block this number.
Oh, I hope you find it soon. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Situation 4.
What is the news from the playground?
There is bad news.
What's that? Didn't we win the match?
Oh, no such luck. We lost the cricket match. We could not even enter the semi-final.
How bad. But we were so confident about our performance.
I know. We had practiced a lot on the ground, but the opposing team was very tough and put up a better performance.
Let's try to put a better performance next time.
We will do it.
Situation 5.
Hi, how was the result? How did you fare in the exam?
I got 92% marks and I'm the topper in my class.
That's great. What a fantastic achievement.
Thanks a lot. I got 90 out of 100 marks in computer networks. I had not expected the same.
This is simply great. It is a commendable event. This certainly deserves celebration. So when are you going to treat us?
Maybe this weekend before our regular classes begin.
Congrats once again.
Situation
Thanks.
6.
I was shocked by the result of my final semester.
Why? What happened?
I did not clear one subject. I only got 38 out of 100 marks.
That is such a pity. Why don't you apply for rechecking or reevaluation of the marks?
Even if I do so, I will lose a job opportunity. Last month itself, I got selected in the campus interview and I'm expected to join this week. I was positive about my result.
That is such a setback for you. Get out of this with courage.
I will try.
Better luck next time.
Situation 7.
You look very cheerful today. Is there any good news?
I got selected as a class representative for this year.
Congratulations.
Thank
You indeed deserve this honor.
Thank you so much. Actually, I've been waiting for this opportunity from a very long time.
I'm sure you'll be able to handle all the responsibilities and pressures that come along with this job very ably.
Thank you so much. See you soon.
Bye.
Situation 8.
Hi, I brought my new bike to college today.
Wonderful. Which model?
My father gifted me a scooty Streak on my birthday last week.
That's very thoughtful of your father. You stay away from the institute, so you need a bike for traveling.
Yes, that's right.
That traveling won't be a problem for you. Anyway, hearty congratulations on your new purchase.
Thank you.
Situation 9.
You look weak and tired. Are you not well?
I'm suffering from typhoid.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. You must take some rest.
Yes, I've informed HOD about my ill health. Doctor has informed me a bed rest for 2 weeks. In that case, I won't be able to appear for my exams.
That's bad, but I think health is more important than studies.
But I really wanted to give this exam.
I know, but once you regain your health and stamina, you will be able to cope up better than this. Get well soon, take medicines and
Situation
rest.
10.
What's the problem? You are looking very disturbed today.
I lost my purse in the morning when I was coming.
Oh, so sad. What was there in the purse?
I had 200 rupees, my cell phone, and iCard.
Didn't you try to search there or ask anyone?
I realized it when I reached the college.
Oh, so sad.
Situation 11.
Hello, how are you? You are looking very happy today.
Yes, I got 100 out of 100 marks in maths in semester exam.
Hearty congratulations. Good performance. Keep it up.
Thank you.
Language study. Instruction. How to react to good news.
Congratulations.
Hearty congrats. Keep it up.
Well done.
Fantastic achievement.
Great. What an achievement.
I'm proud of you.
The same was expected of you.
You deserve the very best.
You are very lucky.
May God bless you.
You have my blessings and good wishes.
Your patience and hard work has paid off.
God has answered your prayers.
The event deserves celebration.
Let this be the beginning of a great career ahead.
That's nice.
I'm overwhelmed with joy.
I'm very happy on your success.
I was confident about your success.
How to react to bad news.
I'm very sorry to hear that.
I am shocked to hear that.
Life is like that.
I wish I could help you in some way.
Life has to go on.
May God give you the strength to get out of difficult times.
You can't run away from problems. You have to face the world.
Better luck next time.
Try again till you succeed.
Be bold and face the facts.
God is with you. God is testing your patience.
Get well soon.
Be positive and make a new beginning.
Be calm and cool. Don't lose heart.
Accept my heartfelt condolence on this occasion.
This is indeed terrible.
How bad?
What a tragedy.
What a great loss.
What a setback.
I have no words to express my sorrow.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Tough times don't last, but tough people do.
Life is full of ups and downs.
I'm always with you. Do not hesitate to ask for my help or services. I will be too glad to assist you.
When the goings get tough, the tough get going.
ॲक्टिव्हिटी विभागात बोलणे आणि लेखन कौशल्य विकास अपेक्षित आहे. जसे गेल्या एका महिन्यात तुम्हाला आनंद देणाऱ्या एका चांगल्या बातमीबद्दल तुमच्या मित्राशी अथवा मैत्रिणीशी चर्चा करा. गेल्या एका महिन्यात तुम्हाला दुःख देणाऱ्या एका घटनेबद्दल तुमच्या मित्राशी अथवा मैत्रिणीशी चर्चा करा. तुमच्या मित्राला अथवा मैत्रिणीला त्याला किंवा तिने अनुभवलेल्या कोणत्याही चांगल्या किंवा वाईट बातमीबद्दल विचारा. 10वीच्या निकालाच्या दिवशी तुम्हाला कसे वाटले ते तुमच्या मित्राला अथवा मैत्रिणीला सांगा. कृपया संवाद लिहा आणि ॲक्टिव्हिटी विभागात दिलेल्या सिच्युएशन्सच्या संभाषणाचा सराव करा. आपल्याला हे 11वे युनिट कसे वाटले हे कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये जरूर लिहा व चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. धन्यवाद.